All right, let's look at the next chord. What's the bottom letter? E. All right, let's find the E. What's this one? G and C. Okay. Now, is that a root position? No, because I see the interval of a sixth. See, it's spread out a little bit. I see an interval of a sixth. And I see a 3. So I could put my numbers there, a 6, 3. That tells me it's the first inversion. So let's look at the keyboard and see if there's a way we can rework it to get the notes every other letter. Well, let's keep these two together. Could I put the C down here? Would that be every other letter? Yes, if I do that, that would help me to see what the name of the chord is. It's a C chord. A C chord. So what is C in the scale of F? What degree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting here because this is the letter F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5. And if you remember, my 5s are major, so I use uppercase to show major. Now, do I need the 3? No. I could omit that. I'll put it in parentheses to show that it's not necessary to include it for your first inversion. Let's look at the next chord. Is it open harmony or close harmony? It's an open harmony. See how spread out it is? What are the letters? F, C, and you remember that one? A. I could put it way up here, but could I put an A somewhere down here? Yes, I could. And when I do that, it is every other letter. If you need to see it, you can draw it in here. And then it looks like a root position. It is a root, even though it's open harmony. And it is the first degree of the scale. So this is just a 1. All right, let's do the last one. Can you tell me the bottom letter? How do you do that? Well, if you think backwards, because it's going down from line E. If you remember, this is every good boy does fine. Line E goes backwards to D. So I have a D. I have a G. And I have a B. B flat. I have a B flat right here. Is it root position? No, it is not, because I see from here to the lowest tone, I see the interval of a 6, and what do I see here? I see a 6-4. So let's go ahead and put our 6-4. It's the second inversion of something. Okay? How can I rearrange these notes so that it's every other letter so I can analyze what chord it is in the F scale? Well, I could look at it this way, right? And that would tell me the name of the chord is G something. Something, it has a B flat in it, remember? But we know it's G. So what number is G in the F scale? Here's F, 1, 2. It's a 2. Do you remember the quality of a 2? It is minor. So put your dotted I's, please. Now, if you couldn't remember that a 2 is minor, you can describe the intervals again to see the quality. So let me rewrite it this way. We had a D, we had G, and we have B flat. So there it is, written on a keyboard so I can determine what it is. From the root to the third, you have to look from the root to the third, we need 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. And that would give me a minor third. And then I would need a perfect fifth. Do we have 7 semitones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So that would be another way to describe the quality. So what I want you to see from this or these examples is locate the names of those tones on a keyboard and put them in the closest proximity to discover which degree number it is in the scale. Then you go back and look at the score and analyze. If it's an inversion, you actually write what you see. This is a 6 and a 4. This is a 1 chord. We found out this is a 1 chord. It was just spread out or open harmony. So you just simply write the Roman numeral. You do not have to put the 5-3, or you could to be more specific. All right, I hope this has helped you to see how you can go to a piece of music, collect all the information, plot it on a keyboard, and then describe the quality, describe the intervals.